Want to see what $1 million will buy you in Inspirada? Hi, Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, Inspirada TV. We're out here at 2658 Catania Street, priced at $989,900, nearly 3,700 square feet, 3.5 baths, 4 bedrooms plus a den and a loft. This property had been in contract, fell out of escrow. So I'm super excited that we have the opportunity to film this. So I'm solo today, no Leanne, but probably a good thing because she would say, please go find me $1 million, because we filmed another house just down the street on Via Monet, which is an amazing property. So this one, stoked about. Let's get in and get started. All right. So it's really nice because you're on this walkway. So you would park in the back. There's an alley. Well, there's actually a street. And then it kind of curves around so your company would be able to park right over there, which is really cool. So it's really quite serene here. And then you have this great buffer here. So let's get in. Little front porch. One of these big 8-foot doors. Okay, so right off the bat, nice white modern staircase with the black rails, vinyl flooring, 6-inch modern baseboards. So you have high ceilings down here. Ooh. So let's get this turned on here. Oh, the carpet is amazing condition. All right. So you have a bedroom down with its own ensuite. White shaker cabinets, dark bronze hardware, doors, plumbing, etc. All right. So super clean white paint here. Oh, I like this fixture too. Okay. Cool nook that is cut out underneath the stairs. So what I've always loved about these tri-points is these multiple living areas that you have. So double slider, little fire pit here. And that's also a sidewalk right there. So you don't have anyone right next to you. Oh, look at this cool trapezoid island. It's you know, I'm looking at it on screen and I can't, it kind of looks square, but it is not. Wow. 42-inch uppers, great looking white fridge and oven and microwave. They really spent some money on upgrades. So big pantry. And with the 9-foot ceilings and the 8-foot doors, really does give it a lot more space. So cooktop, cool gold pulls on the doors. And I like that you have a couple of drawers. Now this feels like $1 million home, because this family room is really good size. So speakers in the ceilings. I love these, 6-foot tall windows. And I like this extra storage here for your dining. Little mudroom area coming in through the garage. This will be a half bath. Kind of tucked away off the kitchen. All right, website so tandem 3-car. Every brokerage. Please like and subscribe. Normal. We have water hundreds of videos of nothing but homes in Inspirada, and we appreciate you watching. Water softener, Storage over here. I just wanted to grab this box that was out here, bring it in for them. Put that there. So a lot of room here. I was checking to see if there was a 220 volt, but no. Interesting here, a doggy door. Maybe they had a cat, but I believe that is also fenced in. Okay. Let's get out to this yard. So, pocket door, you know, would slide into, two of them open to the third. Really, and check out how cool this is. I like these custom made metal screens, are really nice. All right, nice gate. So plenty of room. Barbecue stub over there too if you wanted to put an outdoor kitchen. And just a lot of nice light right out here. So it's just about 1 p.m. December. All right, I'm gonna leave that open because I'll come back to it. All right, we'll jump upstairs. But this carpet, really a nice textured finish. Take off my shoes. Yeah, I was right in saying I'm glad I didn't bring Leanne. Although I miss her, I like getting to do these episodes with you guys. So, you know, if you're thinking about a home in Henderson, I would really encourage you to explore Cadence. I mean, not Cadence. I was going to go. So if you guys are considering a home in Henderson, I would highly encourage you to consider checking out Inspirada if you haven't been out here before. You know, I know Cadence is very popular. Leanne and I lived for about a decade in Tuscany. Well over a decade, I guess. So very familiar with the area, but this, yeah, you'd be remiss if you didn't check out Inspirada. All right, so there we go. Get the seat down. So taller cabinets, which I love. I feel like a giant when it has some of the older homes that have the short cabinets. So this is a nice sized bedroom. Right across from the bath, walk-in closet. So this bedroom is gray. The rest of the house has been white. Gray. Oh, I like this light in here. And there may be furnished pictures of this home. If you just click the link that's in the description. Builders furnish homes because it's easier to imagine yourself living there when you can see it furnished. Good sized laundry room. Plenty of storage. So washer, dryer, all appliances stay. And then this should be the primary here. but I can probably get the light on. Maybe not. Okay. Well, good size primary. I love that window up there. Really spacious. Oh, an amazing shower. So walk in, rain shower, little bench seat. And I love the floating shelves. And this vanity is probably a good 12 feet long. All right. Additional storage here. Good size water closet. Some built-ins would be really nice in this closet because you can make good use of the space over here, here. Yeah, you could do really well with a nice closets. Okay. Well, as always, if you are interested in a home in Henderson, especially in Inspirada, Leanne and I are always out here. And remember, our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. Please like and subscribe. We are well on our way to 500 videos on our channel, and the bulk of them are all homes in Inspirada. So appreciate you watching.